I made a blueberry butter toffee protein coffee today. It's low in sugar, low in calories, but high in protein. Let's make it. I'm in the mood for hot coffee today, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with blueberry cobbler skinny syrup. However many pumps you want. I normally do anywhere between like 3 and 5. And then butter toffee skinny syrup. And I wanted to shout out, I believe it's Jess's Kitchen on the FB. I met Jess in Lexington, Kentucky at the Pop Recovery event that I was at. And she told me about her FB page. And I followed her and she shared a picture of what her coffee was that day. It was blueberry butter toffee. It sounded so good. So shout out Jess for this recipe. Butter toffee skinny syrup. Again, as many pumps or splashes of that you want. Coffee with my collagen colostrum. Guys, I got my hair done the other day and my hairstylist was in shock about how much my hair had grown. Sam, don't let him think I'm a liar, girl. Tell him. You tell him. She was like, what have you been doing? Like, this is the most I've ever seen your hair grow. And I was like, I've just been taking like this collagen colostrum. I don't know. Apparently I had over 1 inch hair growth since August. And then my extensions had grown out like almost 2 inches in some places. So yeah, she said it's the most hair growth she's ever seen me have. We love that because I was a bald-headed heifer. Y'all know it. We ain't a bald-headed heifer no more, baby. Okay, now, enough of me talking about my hair. Sorry. Oh, why don't we put some salted caramel skinny sauce, you know, around in here? Why not? Guys, I really need one we can see through. Do you know of a good one? I need one that keeps it warm, but I can see through it. You guys tell me, okay? And then I'm gonna use a salted caramel protein shake. I just heated this one up in the microwave. I am way too good at this, okay? All right, marshmallow whip topping because we can. Jazzing her up. Gosh, one for good measure, always, even though I forget most of the time. Didn't today though. All right. How about a little salted caramel skinny sauce on top to jazz her up? What do you think? By the way, I need y'all to look at my hat. Is she not like, I love it. Look, extra close. Shout out the Blonde Bomb Boutique. I think it's a hat company. She's incredible. She made a couple hats for me. I'll make a separate video about my hats, okay? Let's taste test. Ooh. Ooh, it was hot like I like it, and the blueberry just hit the back of your throat. Oh, honey, that's delicious. Somebody told me, why would you make that? It's just so full of chemicals. You just go to Starbucks and get that. It's got 200 calories. Honey, I guarantee you the Starbucks you're getting has more than 200 calories. And I bet you it don't have 30 grams of protein.